You need to gamify your organizing and cleaning up with your kids, and here's why. Gamifying organizing and cleaning up changes how your kids think about organizing. It alleviates so much of the stress that falls on you when it comes to getting your kids to clean up and organizing all the things, because you're turning it into something fun and exciting. Instead of focusing on the job that needs to be done, we're going to turn it into a game. I've written about this so many times on the blog when my kids were little. Back when I was teaching, we turned everything into a game because it was just way more interesting. So after every lesson or activity or something that we had, I would put on the song I Like to Move It, because back at Madagascar just came out and they had the Madagascar version of that song. So we would play that song as our transition. It was 3 minutes. The entire class had to clean up everything. Papers on the floor, books were put away, papers were turned in, wipe down your tables, like all of those things had to be done in 3 minutes. So we turned our transition time into a game where everything needed to be done within that 3 minutes. And if it wasn't done in that 3 minutes, then we wouldn't have our dance party at the end of the day. By doing this, my kids learned that we can clean up and it can still be fun. Fast forward to my little kids, and that's when I would share about organizing and cleaning up and turning it into a game. So my favorite way to do this with toddlers and younger kiddos is to take things out of bins after you have picture labels, obviously. If you missed the picture label video, you are going to want to check that out. You can find that where you're watching this video. So take out a couple of the toys from different bins and then have the kids figure out which bin it goes into based on the picture labels. It's a really fun and easy way to get kids to kind of like help clean up and teach them a new skill and turn cleaning up and organizing into a game, because they're able to take their toy and then put it in the basket and then you cheer, yay, you did it. And then when it comes time to cleaning up at the end of the night, we can do the exact same strategy, turning into a great game. Okay, how many cars can you pick up and put into the bin? And then you can, if they are fine with timers, do a timer. If not, then just have them count and see how many they can do, because you're turning it into a game. It is no longer a daunting task. It's now a game. You gamified organizing and cleaning up, which is so much better because I do this for myself in the morning. What I do when I empty the dishwasher, I also make a cup of coffee, and before my coffee is done is when I want all the dishes to be out of the dishwasher. So I turn a boring task, emptying the dishwasher, into a game where I race my coffee. It is so silly, but it's just something that makes emptying the dishwasher not so awful. So when kids start to get a little like later preschool, early elementary, even later elementary, cleaning up and turning it into a game can be a little more challenging because not every kid loves the timer. I have one kiddo who will do anything to try and beat the clock, and then I have another kiddo who that just stresses them out. So if you have a kiddo that's like, we can't do the timer racing anymore, then we need a different strategy to gamify our organizing and cleaning up. I have something for you. It is called Secret Agent Cleanup, code RED. These are secret agent missions that your kids can do to help clean up, organize, and reset your entire home. Each mission is set up to target a specific area of your home so that your kids can feel like they are a secret agent. I did secret agent missions when I was teaching, and I have done this now with my kids. It has been so fun. They love these secret agent missions, and so I've recently revamped them for like a whole assortment of different tasks. They are so much fun. The kids get a new mission every night, put it in a manila envelope, they get badges. You can create like a whole like secret agent mission kit. I love my declutter caddy, which helps me when I declutter. So having a secret agent mission kit is just basically the same thing for your kids with totally different tools and things that they can use to help them clean up, organize, and tidy, reset your home every night. Each night you can set up a new mission. You can set up your own mission. You can go all in. You can make this as fun and gamified as you want. Who doesn't want to clean up to a game? These missions cover everything from finding socks in the couch to putting away toys, anything you can think of that your kids might want to do or need to do in order to help in your home. These missions are here to help. You can check them out down below where you're watching this video. I know you will love them. If you love this video and love gamifying, cleaning up, and organizing, I know you will love these videos.